Hey, TT305 TV. Doing cauliflower, fried cauliflower. But it's going to be buffalo hot wing cauliflower. Okay. So I'm watching. I had wanted y'all to see how I'm breaking them apart. And then they're going to be fried. Okay. So y'all see that. So be back, TT305 TV. TT305 is back. So as you can see, I washed them. You know, they're clean. I'm going to season them. Start off with, you already know, season. Yep, on the pan on this counter here. I'm seasoning them like this. Yep, so we got that. Then I'm going to put some Mrs. Dash on there. I'll season up. And this is not just going to be regular fried cauliflower, but it's buttermilk, buffalo. We got two different flavors. The buttermilk fried cauliflower and the buffalo wing cauliflower. Okay? Put some garlic. We put Mrs. Dash, as you see. This is garlic. We're going to put Italian seasonings on there. And we're going to put some, let's see. We're going to put some adobo on there. And we're going to put some Tabata all-purpose seasoning on there. Yep. And last but not least, I'm going to put, like I said, some Sazon on there. Okay. And this here, Fury wants some more egg rolls, so I got to make her some more. So, just so y'all know, like, what in the world? Yeah. She wants some more. So, I said I'll make her some more today. But as you see, I'm seasoning up my cauliflower. And then I'll come back later and show y'all my batter that I use, okay? All right, TT305 TV. TT305 is back. I forgot to show y'all what my sister bought me. She sent it all the way from Buffalo, New York for me. And as you can see, it says, welcome to TT305 TV. Isn't that nice of her? This was so nice. I love it. Thank you, sis. Love you. TT305 TV. Mwah. All right, I'm back, TT305 TV. So with that being said, I'm going to make my batter. And of course, I'm just gonna let y'all know we use hot red Frank's sauce, hot sauce for our buffalo wings. Because this is where buffalo wings came originally, hot wings from Buffalo, New York. Original city of wings, okay? The original, this is the sauce. This is the original, we are buffalo wings, okay? I might be kind of tongue twisted, but you get my drift. That's what we use in Buffalo, New York, okay? So you heard of Anchor Bar? That's us, Buffalo, New York. The original Anchor Bar, Buffalo, New York. The original wings, Buffalo, New York. Okay? Okay. That being said, okay. This is the original ingredients. This and this. That's all we use in Buffalo, New York. All that other stuff people be making up, that's not us. Okay. Enough. Okay. Now. Okay, this is for something else. For my batter, which I think I'm going to have to scoop it in. I thought, you know what? Hold on, y'all. It ain't going to fit. Too big. So, this is this one, and this is a half a cup. There's another. All right, that's enough, right? Put that in the sink. We did that. Now, we're using a little cornstarch and buttermilk. I would put maybe teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, and find my baking powder somewhere around here, y'all. I'm gonna find it. Give me one moment. Always gotta find. Look for something. I don't have to have it, but I like to have it. I want to know why my stuff be moved about and I be like, where did I put it? Anyway, how y'all doing? Y'all doing okay? Alright. I'm talking about. As long as y'all doing okay. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of the baking powder.
I thought it was baking soda.
No, this baking powder. And the other thing was cornstarch. I hope I said it right. Anyway, if they want to know the ingredients, they know how to ask me, right? All right, so with that being said, we got that. And now the egg and then the buttermilk. And then we're going to mix that all up. Okay? I would say maybe, let's see. I don't know what I did with that. Maybe a quarter cup of buttermilk. All right. All right. Gonna mix. Okay. Can y'all see? I might have to put a little bit more buttermilk in there, but as of right now, a quarter cup. Looks like we're gonna need more than that. I'll say a little bit more, and then we're gonna do some water. So I would say a little dab, and then, because this is the batter for the cauliflower. So I'm stirring that up, and then I'm gonna put some salt and some pepper on top, just a little bit, because we already have our cauliflower seasoned up. And I'm gonna put a little dash because pepper is inside of Mrs. Dash. Yeah. All right. Okay. Mixing that up real good. And I'll show y'all the consistency of how it should be. Give me a moment while I whip this up. I could have used a mixer, yes, but it's all good. Waiting for my fire to get hot. If I got the cooking oil going in there. All right. A little bit more buttermilk. So I would say maybe, it might be, if I'm doing a half a cup of, I would say a half a cup of buttermilk and a quarter cup of water. Yeah. It's like the consistency of pancake mix. How about that? That's a, good consistency. Everybody knows how pancake mix should be. This ain't drippy, it's thick. And then you know how it thickens up. All right, be right back, TT305 TV. All right, y'all, TT305 is back. I'm about to put the cauliflower in the batter. All right, as you can see, the consistency of it, like pancake mix, and throw it in there. Okay, buttermilk batter for the cauliflower, fried cauliflower. We're gonna have buffalo wing hot cauliflower. Okay. Make sure you watch it. You can't walk away from it like fried chicken. You can walk away. Also, here's the rest of it. I season it. Shake it in a bowl. Okay. And let's get the spoon to turn it around. Okay. There you have it. You can see they turning brown. Can y'all see that? Basically, you want them golden brown, of course, all over. Gotta find my little tweezer thing. What did you call it? Tongs. I said tweezers. Ah! Alright, so with that being done, let me show y'all. I got the sauce ready. Give me a moment. Buffalo sauce. Yum, yum. As you can see, this is how it looks when it's done. Nice and crispy. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on a plate. Okay. And these are some big cauliflowers that I got, just so y'all know, but hey, they're good. You see that? Let me get it closer to y'all so y'all can see the consistency of it. And it's so good. About to take a bite right now. Mmm. Mmm. Good. No. Yes. So while those cooking, I'm gonna put them to the side because I want them golden brown all over. Okay, all over. Nice and crispy. Okay. Put some more in the batter. Dip it. Dip it. Yum yum. Okay. Turn the other one over, lifting my hands out. Alright, where's my tongue so I can turn them over? Be careful you don't get no water, because that water, it pop, that grease is, ooh, it'll pop you mess out of you. But y'all know that already when you're frying chicken, right? I think y'all know. Be careful. Alright, I'm going to pull the pan up, even though it's popping everywhere. Hopefully I don't get popped. Just so y'all can see the golden brown ones. It's almost done. Y'all see that? They look good, don't they, y'all? I know. Ooh, num num, they're gonna be good. All right. Quite sure, of course, this has been done a million times by different channels. Maybe. I don't know. But my mother used to love these. Yes, fried cauliflower. Ooh, you couldn't tell my mom nothing when she made these. It was, yes, she had these and she'd be good to go. Yes. All right, I can go as fast as I can. Y'all hear Fury? She want me to hurry up. Okay, sweetie. All right, all right, all right. Let's See here. I gotta make sure they brown all over. Uh-oh. Just want y'all to see that. Hold on. Yeah, see that one? See? Golden brown all over. Okay. Your grease got to be really, really hot. And you don't want them sitting in the oil too long like that. They gotta be bubbling hot, right? Turn this one over. Num, num, num. And like I say, you just take one after it's done, dip it one time. And that's how the buffalo wing one look, the buffalo sauce. Wash my hands. Yes, it's fried in cooking oil. And grapeseed oil is good for you, so. Just the batter again. All right, be back. TT305 TV. Okay, y'all. So far, like I said, this is the other half of it still frying up. Look at that. Num num. Fried cauliflower. Almost golden brown. These are the ones that I had already made. Num num. Look like fried wings to me. Tastes good though. Nice and healthy. Num num. I'm gonna try one. We'll put one down here. Mmm. So good. I promise y'all. Won't regret it. All right. Ooh. Hot sauce. Got in my throat. Be right back. TT305. Okay, y'all. TT305 is back. Just wanted y'all to see the last batch. Fried buttermilk cauliflower. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Okay. And remember I showed y'all the buffalo hot wing cauliflower. Yum, yum. Nice and crunchy. Nice and crunchy and good. Y'all gotta try them, okay? All right. All right. I'm taking them out the pan. And then that's it. All right. TT305 TV.